morning, students. How are you? I hope all are good at home. So, we are on the chapter 3rd. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers. We have completed 2 exercises of this chapter. Today we will start exercise 3.3. But before starting the exercise, we will learn divisibility test. Because this divisibility test will help us to solve the question of exercise 3.3. So, divisibility test is forward. Divisibility test tells us that without dividing a number, we can just find that yes, this number is divisible by these number. So, first number is divisible by 2. How we can find out that a number is divisible by 2? To check if the last digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Last digit means at the ones place, or we can say if the last digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number will be divisible by 2, last digit. So you don't need to check the number by dividing it by 2. You don't need to check. We will just check the last digit. If last digit is any one of these, we can say that yes, this number is divisible by 2. Now comes to divisible by 3. If sum of digits is divisible by 3, then number also divisible by 3. Okay, sum of digit means if I say that I have a number, like I have number 2, 1, 1, 5. If I divide this number by 3, it takes me very much time. So what I do? I will find out sum of digit. Digit is 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. What will be the sum? 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 5, it's 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. So we say yes, this number is divisible by 3. Okay, what we do? We don't do the division. What we do? We will only add the digits, and if after adding the digit the number which come is divisible by 3, then we say that yes, the number is divisible by 3. So next is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4, we will check if last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then number is divisible by 4. So how we will check? We will check only the last 2 digits. Like I will write the number, any of the number, we can say I write 9532. Instead of dividing the whole number by the fifth, I will only check the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits is 32. Is 32 divisible by 4? Yes. So, as 32 divisible by 4, so number is divisible by 4. Number is also divisible by 4. So we will check only the last 2 digits, and from if last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is also divisible by 4. Next is there is 0 or 5 on the last digit, then we say that yes, number is divisible by 5. Next is divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by 3 and 2 both, if divisible by 6. So, if a number is divisible by 3 and it is also divisible by 6, then the number will also divisible by 6. 3 and 2, because 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. So, we know how to check divisibility of 3, how to check divisibility of 2. Divisibility of 2, the number having last digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, they will be divisible by 2. Divisible by 3, if we add the digits of the number and the digit sum is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Okay, next is divisible by 9. 9, divisibility checking is same as the 3. Sum of digits divisible by 9. If sum of digit is divisible by 9, like the third, in the third we add the digits and find out that yes, their sum is divisible by 3, so number is divisible by 3. Like is 3, sum of digit divisible by 9, then number is also divisible by 9. And what about divisibility by 10? If you say that there is 0 at the end, then the number is divisible by 10. Is it correct? Yes. If there is 0 and as last digit, if there is 0 at the last digit, then the number is divisible by 10. You can take example 20, 30, 100, 150. We can take any of the number. If their last digit is 0, so the number are divisible by 10. So divisibility by 2, every even number is divisible by 2. Divisibility of 3, we add the digit. Divisibility of 4, we will only check the last 2 digits, and we are left with the 2 other number. So next is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Like we will take the number 73512, means 73,512. We will check only the last 3 digits. We will check if these are divisible by 8. We will checking it. 8 6 is 48. 48 minus 51 minus 48, 32. So these are divisible by 2. So we can say that yes, the number is divisible by 6. So sorry, 8. Yes, this is number divisible by 8 because last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Divisible by 11. Listen to it very carefully. Firstly, we will take the example. I have taken example 1331. We have to check that if this number is divisible by 11 or not. We will take sum of digits at even place. This is at 1, 2, 3, 4. We will start it. So at one place, 1 and 3. So we will add 1 plus 3. At 2 and 4 place, we will add these. These also 1 plus 3. So what will be the sum? 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. And when we take its difference, 4 minus 4. What will be the difference? 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. The difference is at even place and sum of digit at odd place. We will start the placing them from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. First and third sum at even place. At even place. Second and fourth. This is 1 plus 3. Now at the odd place, this is 1 and 3 place. This is 1 and 3. So we have add this 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 4, we get 0. So we say that yes, this number is divisible by 11. Now come to definition. Difference of sum of digits at even and odd places. Difference of sum of digits at even and odd places is either 0 or divisible by 11. If the sum is 0, then we say that yes, it is divisible by 11. If the sum is divisible by 11, then we say that yes, it is divisible by 11. Even and odd places, values or digit, we will add these at different and then the sum which we get of even places and the sum which we get at odd places, we will subtract the sum. If the answer is 0, then yes, it is divisible by 11, or if the answer that comes is divisible by 11, then we say that yes, it is divisible by 11. Okay, thank you students.